Ever tried sending a large sum of money only to be met with a wall of complicated forms, hefty fees, and agonizing wait times? It's frustrating, right? Especially when you're running a business. You need to move money quickly and efficiently, and that's where wire transfers come in. But here's the million-dollar question. If you're using NorthOne for your business banking, can you actually send and receive wire transfers? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the specifics of NorthOne and wire transfers, let's quickly recap what a wire transfer actually is. In simple terms, it's an electronic transfer of funds from one person or entity to another. Unlike other methods like ACH transfers, which can take a few business days, wire transfers are typically much faster, often completing within the same day or within 24 hours. This speed makes them ideal for time-sensitive transactions, like closing on a business deal, paying international suppliers, or handling emergency payments. Why is this important for small businesses? Well, imagine you need to pay a crucial vendor overseas to ensure your supply chain keeps running smoothly. A wire transfer can get the funds there quickly and securely, preventing costly delays. Or perhaps you're purchasing equipment from another business and need to make a large down payment promptly. Again, a wire transfer is the perfect solution. Now, let's talk about NorthOne. NorthOne is a digital banking platform specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. They offer a range of features aimed at simplifying business finances, including online banking, debit cards, mobile check deposit, and integrations with popular accounting software. They focus on streamlining financial management, allowing business owners to focus on what they do best, running their business. So, the burning question, does NorthOne support wire transfers? The answer is yes, but with a few important details you need to know. NorthOne does offer the ability to both send and receive wire transfers. This is a crucial feature for many businesses, especially those dealing with larger transactions or international partners. However, it's not a standard, out-of-the-box feature like some of their other offerings. To initiate a wire transfer with NorthOne, you'll need to contact their customer support team. They'll guide you through the process and provide you with the necessary forms and information. This is slightly different from some traditional banks where you might be able to initiate a wire transfer directly through your online banking portal. Why does NorthOne handle wire transfers this way? There are a couple of reasons. First, wire transfers involve higher security risks and require careful verification to prevent fraud. By having their support team involved, they can ensure that all necessary security protocols are followed and that the transfer is legitimate. Second, wire transfers often involve specific details and instructions, especially for international transfers. Having a human point of contact helps ensure that all the information is accurate and that the transfer goes through smoothly. Now, let's talk about the specifics of sending and receiving wire transfers with NorthOne. When sending a wire transfer, you'll need to provide certain information to NorthOne's support team. This typically includes the recipient's name, bank address, SWIFT code for international transfers, and the recipient's account number. It's crucial to double-check all of this information to avoid any errors or delays. Even a small typo can cause the transfer to be rejected or sent to the wrong account. For receiving wire transfers, you'll need to provide your NorthOne account details to the sender. This includes your account number and NorthOne's routing number. Again, accuracy is key here. It's also important to be aware of any fees associated with wire transfers. While NorthOne doesn't always publicize specific fee schedules, it's common for banks and financial institutions to charge fees for both sending and receiving wire transfers. These fees can vary depending on whether the transfer is domestic or international and the amount being transferred. It's always best to confirm the fee schedule with NorthOne's support team before initiating a wire transfer to avoid any surprises. Another important point to consider is the processing time for wire transfers with NorthOne. While wire transfers are generally faster than other methods, the exact processing time can vary depending on factors like the time of day the transfer is initiated, the recipient's bank, and whether the transfer is domestic or international. It's always a good idea to factor in some buffer time, especially for time-sensitive transactions. So, to summarize, NorthOne does support wire transfers, both sending and receiving. However, it requires contacting their customer support team to initiate the process. This allows for greater security and ensures that all necessary information is accurate. There may be fees associated with wire transfers, and processing times can vary. Now, some of you might be wondering, why not just use a different method like ACH or a payment app? While those methods are suitable for many transactions, wire transfers offer some distinct advantages, especially for larger sums and international transactions. They provide a higher level of security and are often faster, making them ideal for time-critical payments. If you're a business owner who frequently needs to send or receive large sums of money quickly and securely, then having the option of wire transfers is essential. And while NorthOne's process involves contacting support, it's a small extra step that ensures the transfer is handled correctly and securely. So, if you're considering NorthOne for your business, banking and wire transfers are a crucial requirement, you can rest assured that they do offer this service. Just remember to contact their support team to get the process started and confirm any associated fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.